2 years maybe. Because I've been AFK farming and I freaking bro. Also I'm AFK farming with this guy, who is the OG with this Noah guy, which is friends with UCC. I think I don't know. Okay, we jump and we just get in their hand. Let's go! Yes! Yes! Let's go, become true. Finally, okay. Anyways, bro. Also, this is the other part of the video. You should watch it.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark. You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant being on this planet. You'll live to see this world crumble to dust and blow away. Everyone and everything you know will be gone. What will you have after 500 years?
You, Dad. I still have you. Dad?